Hi everyone. For today's word work activity, you're going to be logging back into Sadlier Connect, and on your assignments page, you will see another practice activity called completing the sentence. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose the word from the box that best completes each item, and then you're going to enter the word in the space provided. So the name of this passage is called The Visiting Folk Singer. Here are the vocabulary words that we've been working with. Here's your word list, just in case you need a refresher on the meaning of the word. It's always there for you. So, when we read our first sentence, we are excited that a real blank is coming to visit our class. It's not very often that we have the chance to meet someone so famous. So I think that the best word that's going to complete this is celebrity, and I'm going to drag it into the spot. So that's really all this activity involves. When you are done with your practice, you can play the word search game, and again, you just need to go back into your online textbook. It won't be on the assignment page, but when you click on the textbook under Unit 1, it'll be there. And click on word search. It might take a while. It has a lot of graphics, but once it does load up, you'll get something that looks like this. And then you can click on play, and it gives you the directions, and then you can get started. So that is something you can do after you finish your practice page.